In exercise 1b, you're asked to transpose to find the subject given in the brackets. So the first instance is P, B it will be L, D it will be R, in the case of H it'll be gamma, and in J it'll be capital H. Now in the first instance, where it's simply a case of transposing, that will give me P is equal to A plus L. In the next problem, I've got to transpose that multiplication. It might pay if I just rewrite that so it reads left to right. And then transposing. So L will be therefore equal to A on W. I might rewrite D in a similar way. Remember, they're multiplications. So I can divide both sides by 2 pi. So therefore, R is equal to C over 2 pi as my answer. When it comes to H, I've got a little bit of a blocker. I've got the square root. So what I'm going to do first up is to square both sides. So V squared is equal to gamma times R times T. Just rewriting it from left to right. Isolating gamma by dividing by RT. That will give me gamma is equal to V squared over RT, as the RT cancels on the left-hand side. Moving to J now, I'm just going to rewrite that so it reads from left to right. I'll transpose removing that 2 pi r squared from the left-hand side. And then I'll divide both sides by 2 pi r. So on the left-hand side, I've got H is equal to S minus 2 pi r squared over 2 pi r. Now, your teacher may or may not ask you to do the next step, but I could write that slightly more neatly as S over 2 pi r, and the 2 pi r cancels such that I'm left with minus r as a possible alternative answer.